Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix TikTok Shop can't place order at this time. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok mobile application, which of course I have done right here. So this is my TikTok official account. You're gonna have to launch that in yours. So before you can make a payment or before you can place an order on TikTok Shop, it means you have to link your TikTok Shop account to your official account. And how do you do that? Go ahead and launch your TikTok Shop account. That's the Center Center. If you're using the web application, check the top right corner of your screen. Click on the account tab. Click on account, then click on settings and click on linked accounts. So follow through the on-screen instructions right there to link your TikTok Shop account to your official account. So once you get right into your official account, which of course I've done right here, and you check the bottom corner of your screen, you're going to find the shop icon, meaning you have successfully linked your account. So let's say you clicked on the shop icon and you found an amazing product that you want to buy. And in the process of checking out, it says TikTok Shop can't place order at this time. Here's exactly what you can do to fix it. Your step-by-step processes I'm going to walk you through. Number one, it's definitely a payment issue that you need to resolve. So you would like to change the payment method. And how can you change the payment method? So after successfully linking your shop to your official account, at the bottom corner of your screen, you're going to find the shop icon. Click on the shop icon and you're going to find options which include orders, coupons, messages, address, payment, and help. Go ahead and click on help, on payment rather. And it's going to take you right into the payment window where you're going to be asked to, you're going to see the payments method that you used, and you're definitely going to see an option that will allow you to add a new payment method. So you can edit the existing payment method in there and change it to a different debit card or credit card details with another bank account. So after changing your payment method and you try to check out using the new payment method, if it doesn't work, then you need to check your network. Network failure can actually be a cause of the TikTok Shop can place order at this time issue. So you have to be sure that you have a stable and strong network connection. You also need to check if the bank that you're using has sufficient funds in it, because insufficient funds can also lead to that error note or error message. Also, unsupported payment method can actually be a problem. So you need to check if the payment method you're using is supported by TikTok Shop. The next thing, which should be the last thing you should do after doing all of these, is to uninstall your TikTok account and reinstall it. So after reinstalling, it should start working. So go through all of these processes and you'll be able to fix TikTok Shop can place order at this time error note. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.